Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel on Tubecast. Today we're going to talk about how to earn money with a Shopify shop step by step. If you're looking for a way to start your own online business, Shopify is a great platform to get started with. The first step is to create your Shopify account. Go to shopify.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, password, and store name. Once you've created your account, you can start building your online store. The second step is to choose a theme for your store. Shopify offers a variety of free and paid themes that you can use to customize the look and feel of your store. The third step is to add products to your store. You can either create your own products or use a dropshipping service to sell products that are already created. The fourth step is to set up your payment gateway. Shopify integrates with a variety of payment gateways, including PayPal and Stripe. This allows you to accept credit card payments from your customers. The fifth step is to set up your shipping options. You can either use Shopify's built-in shipping options or integrate with a third-party shipping service like ShipStation. The sixth step is to set up your website navigation. This includes creating menus and organizing your products into categories. The seventh step is to add pages to your website. This includes an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and any other pages that you think would be helpful for your customers. The eighth step is to create a marketing plan. This includes social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. You can use Shopify's built-in marketing tools or integrate with third-party marketing services like MailChimp. The ninth and final step is to provide excellent customer service. This includes answering customer inquiries promptly, offering refunds and returns when necessary, and generally being attentive to your customers' needs. By following these 9 steps, you can start earning money with your Shopify store. It takes some time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can create a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you on your journey to earning money with your Shopify store. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to succeed with Shopify.